girl, hey, it's your girl Shay. Welcome back to my channel. First things first, please excuse that noise. They doing some kind of construction in my neighborhood. But hi, we're here to fix these brows. They look a hot mess, so let's get into my brow maintenance at home. So for those of you that may be new here, you may not know, so I am a makeup artist professionally, and I've just recently started doing waxing services as well. So I'm experienced with waxing other person's brows, but I've never waxed my own brows. Typically I would use like hair removal cream on myself, and I've been doing that for literally years. So today is gonna be, that's probably a client. So today is going to be my first time waxing my own brows. So yeah, let's do that. And then we're going to laminate and tint them. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is put on some gloves. I could get these on. I hate latex gloves. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the glove because I'm not using the back side of my hand anyway, but it's time to test our wax. Make sure that the temperature is correct. So right now it's a little bit too hard. If you notice, it's not really like dripping or running off of the spatula at all. So I need to warm it back up a little bit. So I'm gonna warm it as well as mix at the same time to distribute the heat, and hopefully we can get to the correct temperature real soon. So now that we've got our temperature, let me just brush my brows up so I can kind of see the direction I want to go with the shaping. And then I'm going to actually go in with I'm gonna use a little bit of alcohol on the back of a cotton pad, just a few drops. Clean that off good. Then I'm going to use some of the pre-wax spray. We've got a little bit of wax on our stick. It's gonna go in the direction that my hair grows. My hair grows down, so I'm gonna go down. Let that sit for a hot minute so that it can cool. Be careful not to catch your eyelashes, because girl, you're gonna need some wax remover if you do. Alright, is it cool? You'll always know if it's cool when you press it and it's hard. It isn't gooey or sticky. Ready? Ow, that hurt. I can't believe this is what I be doing to people every day. Oh. Alright, so we got some of the hair off. Nice, nice. Let's go back up again. Let's go in with another one to the front. Alright, so for this piece, I tried to leave a little lip right here. We're letting her dry. Where's my fan? Ready, y'all? And look. See the little hairs. Is it focusing? Okay, now I'm gonna brush my hairs downward, because I don't want to catch the tips of any unwanted hair. And then we're gonna wax the top. And y'all, I have a little patch right there in my brow already. It's just, I don't know, natural, I guess. It's just how it grows. So I don't want to go in and make that patch any bigger. So we're gonna do this very slowly. Again, apply the wax real smoothly in the direction that the hair grows. let her dry. You'll see all that hair, all that peach fuzz. She's gone. And get our little waxy wax. This is good too, like if you have like facial hair you want to get rid of. Okay, so this is the kit that I've been using as of late to do my brows. This is actually a lamination and tinting kit. So let's open it up and see what's all in here. So this is a 4-step lamination kit. It also has a brown and black tint as well as a film strip to go over your brows as they're processing. And then in this box here you have all the tools you need to be able to do your brows. Now we just sit with this on for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so this is all the mapping that I'm going to do just because I do this every day, so I already know what I'm doing basically. But if you're a beginner, I would definitely suggest that you use mapping string as well as mapping paste. Yeah. Okay, so that's what the two colors look like that come inside the kit. This is the brown and this is the black. I literally only leave them on for like 5 minutes, so they aren't that dark, but I think I can mix the two of them because the brown have a real red undertone and then the black seems like too dark. So we'll do 2 pumps of brown, 1 pump of black. Fingers crossed. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go in with a makeup remover wipe. I usually do this on my clients, but I use a different tint, so I don't know how this tint can hold up. Let's see. Okay. Oh. And this is just a treatment to strengthen the brow hairs, repair any damage. Oh my god. Here's the finished look. Honestly, I feel like they came out really cute and really natural. I love the fact that we actually mixed the colors because I think that brown on its own would have definitely blended into my skin a bit too much. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching another video. I'll see y'all in another one. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies,